you never got married, right?
No, I chose not.
But you never got married, right?
No, I chose not to. I chose to stay single.
Why?
I chose. Why? Actually, kanina we were talking about it. I've been in long relationships, and I gave it my all. I gave my whole heart to it. But somehow, because of God's other plan, it didn't work out. And when it didn't work out, I told myself, kaya mo pa bang magmahal ng ganong katindi?
Wow.
Tanong sa sarili. Nag-isip, matagal. Sabi ko, hindi ko na kaya. Ayoko nang ulitin. Kasi baka hindi ko maulit. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, wag na lang. Kung hindi talaga, wag mo nang pilitin. So, what I did was I focused on myself, taking care of myself, and then, nagustuhan ko po. Nagustuhan ko yung feeling na malaya ako. Yung feeling na hindi ko kailangang magsabi na may appointment ako dito, mamaya pa ako darating, or yung mga ganon, or ganyan-ganyan.
Yeah.
Kailangan ko magpaalam sa ibang tao, or yung feeling na walang nagsiselos, walang nagagalit, ganon. Nagustuhan ko yon. So after that, nung nagustuhan ko na, lumipas na, dumaan na yung train, so sabi ko, okay na.
Okay ka na?
Okay na.
You never looked for someone who might
No,
come
I
in?
didn't. What I did was I developed friendships. Before kasi, wala akong alam masyado sa friendships. So I developed friendships, and I also developed my spiritual life. And that to me was the ultimate relationship, the ultimate companionship, the ultimate love. And it may sound parang ganun, people may not believe it, but it's real to me. And so this is where I am, and I'm happy to be single, but I'm not promoting it, okay? I'm not promoting
Yeah, you better clarify that.
Yeah, okay, I'm clarifying
because
it.
you do look happy. And
I'm happy to be single, but I'm not promoting it. If you find somebody who's really meant for you, go for it, really.